Your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, it is an oppressive one tonight. We're only going to drop it in the mid to upper 70s, and these heat indices are going to stay greater than 90 degrees through about 1 o'clock in the morning. At least we'll have a little bit of a breeze from the southwest, but look at the lows, 74 to 78. 75 Flora, only down to 77 at Attica and Fowler, and 76 at Rensselaer. So this is the big weather story. This is the heat. We're headed for the peak that comes tomorrow. We're running near 90 to as high as 94 right now, but these heat indices, this has been the big story today. Right now they're running as high as 119, 111 is what it feels like at the Purdue Airport, 115 Flora, again 117 Rochester, 116 at Fowler. Nearly every weather observation site today, every weather station has had a dew point of at least 80 degrees. And, about every summer we have a period where dew points are, mid to upper 70s to about 80. About once a summer. That's pretty common. But to get 81, 82, 83, 84 dew points area-wide, again, you got to go back to about 2011 to find something like that. So tomorrow, the wind cranks up. We'll have gusts 25 to about 30 miles an hour, but that will feel like a blast furnace because it's going to feel like 113 in the afternoon, and the high is going to be 97 with actual air temperatures peaking at 95 to 100 and the heat index 107 to 119. And this is another look at that heat index for tomorrow afternoon. The maximum heat indices fairly similar to what we had today, perhaps a little bit higher in some locations. 117 Fowler, 112 Monticello, 107 at Peru. Now Friday is a little cooler. There could be a few spotty storms late Thursday night, very early Friday morning, and perhaps a few more late in the day. The wind goes to the north-northeast. With a high of 90, it's going to feel like 97 for a while in the afternoon. And there you see the highs upper 80s north to 90 to about 93 as you go southward. We also have a marginal risk of severe weather Thursday night and into Friday, mainly the northern half of the area for an isolated severe gust or two here and there. Let's dig into that with Futurecast. Again, warm tonight, extremely hot tomorrow. We watch tomorrow night because there's going to be a lot of storm action here in Ohio, a lot of severe weather here in Ohio. The tail end of that could bring a couple or a few storms to the area late Thursday night, early Friday morning. And then this will be the actual cold front. As this comes in, a couple storms are possible Friday afternoon. You see the model's not very aggressive in bringing a lot of storm action here because there'll be a lot of capping, a warm dry layer aloft. But I think we still could be able to pop a few storms. And then it's much cooler for the upcoming weekend, right into next week. And with the cooler air coming in, it takes that hurricane, pulls it away. But we'll be watching this one right here in the Gulf of Mexico. That could have an impact on the southeast U.S., but for us, it's cooler, and then it gradually begins to warm up towards next week. And you'll see that here, only 80 on Saturday, 70 Sunday, lows in the 50s. There's the warm up mid next week at 84 Wednesday, still low humidity, then back to some low 90s by Labor Day weekend.